Hello, my name is Sanaya, the Moon Whisperer.
Hello, I am Aurea, the Crystal Grower.
Hello, I'm Sapira, and I'm the Wine Leader.
Hello, I'm Sanaya, the Light Healer.
Hello, I am King Lion, the guardian of King.
And we are
Viralunians.
from the magnificent and mystical planet of Viraluna, a world of glowing forests, floating lands, and magical moonlights. We are in a peace to share the wonder of our home.
The type of our planet, terrestrial, mystic planet, Earth-like but with a magical energy.
The distance from the sun of our planet is 2.7 billion between 2.7 billion between Uranus and Neptune.
The size of our planet slightly smaller than Earth.
The surface of our planet, bioluminescent forest, floating crystal lake, glowing lakes.
Rings and moon and our planet, one shimmering lake and glowing moons and light up the stars.